Get ready to have your understanding of technology rocked. Back in 1978, Intel engineers were grappling with a baffling, almost unbelievable mystery. Their cutting-edge 16-kilobit DRAMs were spontaneously flipping bits, turning ones into zeros, right out of nowhere. This wasn't a software bug or a design flaw, it was something far more insidious, a silent sabotage from within. And the truth? Radioactive atoms, tiny, invisible trace amounts of uranium and thorium, were actually embedded directly within the ceramic packaging of the chips themselves. These elements, originating from a river contaminated downstream by a uranium mill, were firing off alpha particles. Imagine, these energetic specks would slam into the silicon, creating a cascade of electron hole pairs. This generated enough charge carriers to fundamentally alter a bit's state, flipping it from a 1 to a 0. They christened this shocking phenomenon a single-event upset. It became critically problematic in the 1970s because chip miniaturization had reached a point where even a single alpha particle could now generate sufficient charge to corrupt a bit. Investigations confirmed a direct, chilling correlation. The more intense the alpha particle exposure, the greater the number of bit flips. These findings, circulated widely even before formal publication, sent shockwaves through the industry, forcing manufacturers to implement drastically stricter controls for radioactive materials in microchip production and packaging. But here's the twist: these were soft errors, the device itself remained undamaged, allowing for successful data erasure and rewriting after the erroneous flip. It was like the very air around our most advanced tech was capable of betrayal. From this microscopic, invisible betrayal impacting our digital world, let's pivot to something truly monumental: the almost brutal demands nature places on biology. We dream of human flight, right? But forget fanciful dreams. The scientific truth outlines a biological metamorphosis so profound it makes our current form almost unrecognizable. To achieve human airborne capability, mirroring the magnificent Argentavis, one of the largest flying birds, equipped with plane-sized wings, requires a complete overhaul of our current biology. For starters, a colossal 7-meter wingspan isn't just aspirational, it's an absolute minimum requirement for sustained flight. Powering such an immense span demands radically stronger pectoral muscles, which in turn necessitate a robust keel bone for anchoring, preventing immediate muscle detachment under the incredible strain. But it gets even wilder. Our bones, currently solid, would need to become hollow, integrated with a sophisticated system of air sacs directly connected to our lungs. This ingenious biological plumbing would enable a continuous flow of oxygen, absolutely vital for efficient breathing during rapid, energy-intensive wing flapping. And our nervous system isn't spared either. The ephrin B3 molecule in the spinal cord, responsible for alternating limb movements like walking, would have to be entirely eliminated, as birds elegantly flap both wings simultaneously. The sheer energy expenditure alone is staggering, demanding more than twice that of running. That translates to an energy intake equivalent to a jaw-dropping 4 cheeseburgers every single hour of flight. Such biological demands would make ceasing activities like doom scrolling not a choice, but a necessity. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what it means to be human, pushing us towards the very biological essence of creatures like the Argentavis. Evolution facilitated the flight of such a colossal creature, hinting at the potential for human airborne capability. If only our biology had chosen such a demanding, spectacular path. It's a testament to the incredible, often invisible, forces and biological demands that shape our world. Whether it's the hidden radioactivity in our technology or the sheer, breathtaking biological engineering required for flight, nature's rules are far more intricate, more surprising, and more demanding than we ever imagined. It truly makes you wonder what other fundamental truths are hiding in plain sight, dictating the very fabric of our existence.